What's up, everybody? It's been a minute since y'all seen the E36. Like last time y'all saw it, it was under a tarp the whole time, and basically took the whole getting it ready for the LS swap, and we got the whole front end off, the core support, the radiator, all that. As you can see, the ECM is out. Basically gonna do all the wiring because that's really what's holding us back.
Right now I just got the 16mm motor mount bolt out, but I dropped it somewhere, but it is out.
I got a magnet
right there. Let me see if I can find it.
Don't roast that. Don't roast the magnet.
Hey. This boy said he got a magnet. What the hell am I supposed to do with this?
Hey, it puts in work. Puts in work. But yeah, so Marco's just loosening the motor mounts right now. I'm trying to get to how we're gonna do this wiring harness, because there's like some bits over here still connected on the side. Almost everything's disconnected as far as wiring goes for the most part. The transmission's basically out, cross members all out. The header back system, that's all out, that's all gone. There's a, like you guys might remember already, I got in the guibo and the drive shaft just took a...
Got it right there. Never mind. Magnet puts in work.
I told you. So basically, when my guibo and drive shaft like took a crap on me, this is the transmission cross member right here.
Snap that cross member in half.
It just took a big chunk off. It's not focusing.
Just give it a sec.
It took a big old chunk off. But yeah, this thing's done, and I'm gonna hop under here and show y'all the damage real quick. So this is basically one of the reasons I ended up choosing to just swap the car already. I was tired of this drivetrain problems. So like right here's there's the drive shaft, a bit of it, and then it chewed up where the guibo goes. Guibo, see if I can get some light.
This is literally my first time seeing the car too right now, since pretty much, what happened to it again?
So I was basically just driving and the guibo was already old. And
the guibo was just worn out. It was an old ass rubber mount worn out.
It just snapped everything. As you can see, it
literally, from what Miguel told me, the drive shaft when they got loose, it just spun freely. And it literally ate up all this right here.
It just ate up the trans tunnel, which is crazy.
I've never seen nothing like that either.
No, me neither. All around the whole thing, as you can see. And right here's where my shifter would go, but that's crazy. It bent some stuff too. The cross member was only getting held by one bolt from the bushing right here. That was the only bolt holding the cross member in.
Where? What was it?
This one right here.
The only one?
Yeah, that was the only thing holding the cross member in, that piece. So basically right now, Marco's gonna use his jack to support the transmission. This is just a get rag transmission.
Pretty much, if I remember right, on my SR swap, we used a wood block in between, but Miguel doesn't have one. And he's not even gonna use his trans again, so we just said, fuck it, might as well just do it like this.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use his trans anymore. More than likely gonna use a ZF trans with an adapter for the LS. We'll see how that goes when the time comes. Another thing real quick is the linkage. At least it looks like the linkage. That looks like it broke off too. It's this thing right here where my pinky's flapping, that right there. That's that's crazy to see. And the day the incident happened, the shifter just went, just like someone just sucked the shift lever out of it from the bottom. It was crazy.
So for this side of the motor, we pretty much got it all figured out. We're gonna tie that chain around it right there. That'll lift up this side. The part that I'm a little confused on with these BMW motors is I'm not too sure where we could strap the chain around on this side of the motor. Like on my S13, I know we did it through the intake manifold, but this shit's plastic and I'm not risking it breaking off and all that. So I gotta keep looking into where else we can take the motor out on this side where we can hook up the chain. Right now, another one of the things that's holding us up from pulling the motor is this, what's this called again?
It's just a power box, I think.
The power box on these E36s. We need to loosen up these wires right here so we can move this whole piece right here. And remove it all.
Yeah, these are just,
so it'll be less clutter
these
everywhere.
are just big ground wires, it looks like.
Got the power box out. We're good to go on this side. Got all that messy ass wiring. Now to figure out this side over here. Pop the fuel rail off now. Wasn't too hard. We just had to take off some fuel lines to it. Nothing crazy. I've always thought it was kind of funny with this car how the rest are green injectors, but this one's pink. And I have heard of I think the E36 M3s. I'm not too sure on it, but I've heard the M3s are the ones with pink injectors. Which is weird how this car only had one pink, but...
And it's always ran right.
Yeah, the car has always ran good in A1, but I mean, I'm not too sure. It's just weird. Intake manifold coming right off next. You should be straight. Got it?
Mm-hmm. There's one more. This is the hard one, though. I hate how this has always bothered me in BMWs. It's still caught somewhere out pretty. Oh, the manifold. You broke my manifold.
Nah, you're good. I didn't eat into it.
It did not. I don't think so.
We got that on video.
He broke my manifold. Hold on. I feel like it's caught somewhere else though.
Should leave back there though? Ooh, that's all I need.
There we go.
I got this.
Screw it up. Manifold.
There you go. Now we're making progress.
M50 manifold. A lot of the M3 guys like these. I guess
For sale, 200 OBO. Make the offer.
I guess because they're bigger. I guess Marco broke it right here a little bit. But
Just a little bit, nothing crazy.
We're all right though. It didn't eat into it.
All right. So pretty much, the reason the motor was getting caught a lot is because we forgot to take off a piece to the power steering reservoir, some hoses, and the slave cylinder line. That was literally it. What's keeping this motor in the car. That gave us a little bit of trouble. So we forgot that, but other than that, we got it. You don't have to put me on your Snapchat for that.
It was a pain. It took all day, but this guy and my cousin, there's some goats.
Oh,
he's not
yeah.
recording. They're the goats.
How you feeling, Miguel? Finally got it out.
Man, it was a pain. I'm tired. We're all tired. It's a good feeling though. It's a real good feeling.
12 hours later.
Oh man. In the dark.
My damn phone.
I got
It
you.
was this piece right here, the cross member, was being caught right here. We had to jack it up, just pull it out right there, and it was just a pain, man. But we finally got it out.
Oh, we got the motor out. Man,
Let's go.
that's crazy. I'm excited, bro. Man, it was a pain.
Prep work next for the bay and paint and all that, then the LS, man. Woo!
Stay tuned.
We're tired. I'm hungry. We'll catch y'all later, man.
Stay tuned. Thanks for tapping
Time
in.
for a shower.